Hello guys. Is the even on? Hello. Probably. This is a meeting. This is a really serious meeting that we're having here, okay? This is one of the biggest meetings I've had in my whole life. Okay? Listen. This meeting is supposed to be about my YouTube channel. But, me. It's Finn. Hi. But my YouTube channel will be a bit different. My content will be making, how do I say this? Go tag movies, clips, behind the scenes, and just go tag movies in general. I will be playing horror games sometimes on my other channel where I just play games. This one will be my actual main channel. Be making go tag movies. I'm making my other channel really soon. It's gonna be called Fenful Plays. Please should go subscribe to it. I'm doing a lot of work on this channel. I'm still doing the movie. It takes quite a long time to do all the scenes and stuff, so don't worry, I haven't forgot about you. I'm just making like a really long movie, and I have barely anyone to do it with. Me and my friend, that's it. Me, my friend, and me for editing. That's the only people I actually have, so it takes really long. Don't worry, I will get it done. So I'm gonna tell you, it's coming out in a really long time, so I'm just making this video to keep you entertained until that day. Really hope you enjoyed this really short video of me just explaining myself. But yeah, I hope you understand that I am making a video and it's taking really long time. I hope you understand that. But if you don't really like horror tag movies, then this channel is not for you. If you like horror tag, did I just say horror tag? What? Very good tag movies. This is the right person you're into. What am I even saying? But if you just like me playing on, like, I cannot speak. Oh, so I just kind of glitched out there. I'm back. Anyways, then go check out my other channel if you just like playing normal games and just watching other people just play normal games, like horror games, funny games, chaos games. That's basically it. My first video I actually posted was me playing Scary Boon, which I was not gonna do any of the YouTube videos that I said. Actually, I kind of changed it up a bit, as you see now. I don't even know you like, so I'm just doing what I like. And then if you want to see other videos, go check my other channel. Then tell me what you want me to do. This is just gonna be me doing go tag movies. None of you, what type of suggestions of movies that I am gonna do? The movie that I'm doing is called Jeffrey the Killer. That one's coming out quite soon. I'm just still doing all the scenes and editing it, and then I'll film it like quite a week or so. My friend is not cooperating with me right now, and it's kind of sad. Anyways, I hope you really understand that I am working really hard to do this. Bye, my people. I will see you in like a long time. I'll still make videos on my other channel though, that I will be making quite soon. But yeah. Bye bye, fellow idiot. Bye. Where did I put my video? Like right here? I think it was. I remember. Hi. This is future me. I forgot to say I'll be making two YouTube channels. Not just one, two. reaction channel where I react to girl tag videos. Not just girl tag videos, girl tag movies, and rate them out of 10. And it's not gonna be like part 1, watch part 2 to like finish what the movie's at. No, it's gonna be like a full long video with me reacting. I will show my face with my mask on, so you little stinky dog be like, oh my god, look at her face. Anyways, yeah, I didn't say that because I forgot to in the video. I'm so smart. I told my friend to join so I can actually introduce you. This is my friend. He's kind of late. So late. Oh my god, he's so late. That's what I'm doing it by myself. If you want to see my friend, well, you can't. Yeah! But the movie that I am posting, I already said, but I'm making 2 movies. But the one I'm doing like right now is Jeffrey the Killer. The other one is gonna be like my main channel movie that you'll know me by. It's called The Dimension. I'll just explain what that movie's about in another video, dude, because it's kind of messes with the brain the more you watch it. Anyways, I'm just gonna say this. I love you, peoples. I love you, peeps. Bye bye.